The other systolic murmur you will hear is an ejection systolic murmur caused by a narrowed aortic valve. Now the pressure in the aorta is quite high, and therefore there'll be difficulty for blood to flow across this valve. And so at the beginning of systole, when the ventricle starts to contract, there'll be no flow because the pressure here is so high. And so as systole starts, you hear nothing, and then as the pressure rises, it pushes the blood through this narrow valve, and when it exceeds the aortic pressure, you get a flow of blood. And of course the flow of blood initially is slow because the pressure here is so high, and therefore you get a very soft murmur, but it gets louder and louder as systole progresses until there's maximal flow in the middle of systole, and then as the pressure falls, as the ventricle empties, the pressure here becomes less high, and therefore the flow diminishes again, and so you hear a crescendo decrescendo murmur, which sounds like this: lub, whoosh. Then there's a gap here, and then dup for the second hard sound.